Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to my channel. So, in this time, I will give you a tutorial how to make a 3D design robot hockey. And as you can see, this is my model that we will try to learn this time. And let's get started. So, what should we have to build for the first? Anyone know? Yes, this is the layer first. First, we have to make the layer on the below in here. So the diameter is the space 20. So it commences to build a circle that has 20 diameters, and then after that we have to make a helper line in the center of the circle, and then we make the jaw in the front side. It has 8 diameters like this, and for the wheel we have 10 diameters. We have to make sure this diameter is 10, and then from this side on this point you have to make a line as long 3, and then you choose to end point on this side and do it again like this, and after that you connect this point to the helper line that you have been made. Same for the right, like this, and after that you trim or delete the element that we don't use like this. Okay, so what should we do next? First, we join this point, this line, this line together. You have to type join and it's done. And after that, you mirror this side to this side like this, and after that you trim that. You trim the element that we don't use, and then now we have to make the jaw. First, make the helper line from this point to the right side as long 7, and then do the same thing with the wheels like this, and connect this point of the edge of circle to the line like this, and then after that you have to trim all the elements that we wouldn't use like this. We have to type fillet, and we type R for radius, and we type 2, and press space for recalling the command like this, and done. So what we do next? The next is we cut all of the helper line, and we change the orbit. So we type press pull, so the height is 6 0.6 I mean. And after that you should move it like this and do the same. Press pull 0.6. It's for the upper layer. Actually you can do this with just copy, but I still love doing this because it's like satisfying actually. And you can you can't delete this uh, scheme because we will use it for next. So we change to the 2D wireframe to the realistic like this, and we set the height is 9, and we have to make sure the upper layer is lining up with the down. Like this. And then what should we do? For the next step is set the down layer to 0.5 millimeters, and after that we make a spacer. Just make a square and type 1 tab 1, and then we type press pull, and the height is 9. And after that the 2D wireframe we change to it, and in this down layer we make a helper line. So this we make again helper line from this side to this side 2.5, and then we end up point to this side, and connect the point from this point to the helper line like this. And on the spacer we showed the helper line too, from this side to this side, so we can move the spacer right in the middle. Okay, let's move it. We drag first the object that we want to move, and then click the move command, and then don't forget to off your auto mode with press F8, and then from this you should place the spacer to this, and we change to the realistic for review, and we have to change the height for 1, actually 0.5, and then we choose the 2D wireframe and delete the helper line, and then we choose mirror. We drag the spacer, we click the icon mirror, and don't forget to activate your auto mode with F8 like this, and make sure you press no so the other object is wouldn't deleted. Okay, like this. Okay, the layer is done, the base is done. We have to build the engine first, so the wheel can enter it perfectly. And here we make it like 3. We make a helper line in here and there 4, and to the other side is 2. We make again a line 0, we make a line in this point is 1 actually, so you move this line to 0.5 and move the line in the other side too with 0.5, and then in here you can just build the head of dynamo or for the machine actually, and then you drag this and join them. You can do the same for the body, join them, and then we type press pull for 2, and for the head of dynamo is just 1. And then we build a helper line so we just move select the head of dynamo and move it to the center of line like this. And now we can delete the helper line, and so now we will make the stick for equipping the wheel. Like this, we make the helper line, and we make a circle. The diameter is 0.5, and you type press pull and make it 4, and then you type 3D rotate here. So as you can see, we arrange the angle to 90, and boom, and in this circle we have make the center line too, helper line, and we move to the side, and don't forget to non-activate the auto mode. Alright, and just delete the helper line, and then select the machine, and then we move it first. Alright, and then we make press pull from this. So this will be the plate or object that the machine will get onto it. And then we change the realistic to the 2D wireframe, and then we type slice and click the block and choose the 3 points and choose this side, the other side, like this. And then we slice again this box and choose the 3 points and choose these edges, this edge, and as you can see, it got sliced. So you just move it with a command, you just pull it right into here and type the height is 1.5. Actually just type 1. So we put the machine and we set the height is 3. As I tell you before, we just make this for style. Don't forget to delete the helper line, and after you delete it, you mirror the engine to the other side, and don't forget to activate your auto mode first, and like this. So the final step is we build the wheel. So we build the wheel for 10 diameters. And then we build a circle in the middle of the circle that we make for diameters 6. And after that, you make again a circle for diameter is 5, like this. And in the middle, you make this helper line. So the helper line in here is we use for making the style. We just have to make this length to 2.5 and tab, we choose it for 115, and after that we mirror this one. We mirror again, and don't forget to deactivate the ortho mode like this, and we make a circle in the middle like here. The diameter is just 1, and after that we delete the helper line and we trim the circle. Right, and then we type press pull for the outside tires like 3.5, and for the inside circle we press pull to 2.5 like this, and we can preview first, and then we press pull the inside like here is 2, and here is 2, and here is 2, and here is 2. Do exactly the same, and just for the circle is 2.5 like this, and we change the 2D wireframe to realistic, and boom, as you can see, this is the wheel of our robots, right? And then you choose all, and we rotate 3D. And then first is remove the wheel, and we deleted the scan, the 2D scan, and now we change the realistic to the 2D wireframe again, and from the circle we make it the helper line, and in this circle make the helper line too. First, remove the machine, the dynamo, to the center of the body, like here. Okay, we mirror this machine to the center for the anchor, like this. So as you can see, it looks pretty same, right? And just delete, and after that we drag all the circle like this, and then we move it by choosing the move icon and choose the midpoint of the circle, and then turn off your ortho mode, and then choose the middle of the circle like that, like that, as you can see. And then we just have to mirror this wheel to the other side. So firstly, we should make this wheel to enter the side like this, and I think I will just and make the other one too. So 1.5 like that. So here it is, the hockey robot. And then now we paint the body. Just choose this layer and then click right and then choose the properties. And then in this layer, color layer, we give it red. Same, and then we type escape and then choose the red again. And for this wheel, we just color it black. Do the same for the other wheel. And for the body of the engine, usually it's yellow, right? So we just color it yellow. And then for the inside of wheels, we just give it yellow. And for these, we just have to, I think gray is will be cool actually. And then do it the same thing on the other side. And for the outer wheel is gray. Alright, here it is. So for the spacer actually is gray. So because it will be an iron actually, so we make sure that the color is same exactly like the iron. Sip. Now we will preview the robot. Okay, as you can see, this is the robot hockey that we will gonna build. It's pretty cool, right? And thank you for watching and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.